Hi, welcome to PYT. In this video, we are going to discuss on what is command prompt and why we use command prompt. The command prompt is also known as the cmd.exe or cmd. And by using the command prompt, we can access and configure both the system settings and as well as the data also. Some of the tools that which are not available through the graphical user interface can be accessed through the command prompt. Now let me open the command prompt. So for opening the command prompt, you can just go to the search window and type as cmd. So here it is under the C users and the username is pytu. So the most of the Windows users regularly use the GUI. GUI means the graphical user interface. So for example, if you want to create any new folder, or if you want to open the files, if you want to access any of the photos, or if not the videos, or if you want to make any changes to the existing files, so you will be doing it from the graphical user interface. But same thing can also be done from the command prompt. And however, it is helpful to know how to execute the system functions in the command prompt window. So let us perform some basic command as the system info. So now it will fetch the complete system information. So we have got the details. We have given the command as system info. Then we got the complete system information. So here the host name has been given, OS name, OS version, OS configuration, and the registered owner. The registered owner is pyt upgrade yourself at gmail.com, and the system manufacturer, and the Windows directory. What is the BIOS version? The complete system information has been given. So this is how we can use the command prompt, not only for the getting the system information, but also for making the changes. For example, like for opening the any of the directory, or like any of the files or any of the folders, you can just perform the action from command prompt by giving the required, the correct command over here. And in our next videos, we are going to perform some basic commands in the command prompt. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos, please do subscribe our channel PYT.